Here's how to automate a block of code using while loop. We are going to demonstrate this using Arduino. First, you're going to design the circuits. What you need for this circuit is Arduino Uno LED, potentiometer, and resistor. After you've done the circuits, in the code, the first thing you're going to do is specify your variables, which is int port val. This is going to hold the value of the potentiometer. Int port pin is going to hold the pin where the potentiometer is connected to, which is A0. Int red pin is going to hold the pin where the red LED is connected to. Port pin is input, red pin is output. That's when you turn the potentiometer imputes value. Red pin is going to accept value from the Arduino, so that's why it's output. This is just to code the Arduino. Then in the loop, which is the main part of the code, port val equal to analog read port pin. We are going to read port pin and store it in port val. Delay serial.print in port val. We're going to print out that value we read from the potentiometer. Now for the while loop, while port val is greater than 1000, digital write red pin high. What does that mean? The red LED is going to turn on. Port val equals analog read port pin. So we are telling port val to read port pin to see if it's still 1000, greater than 1000, or if it's less. So if it's greater than 1000, the loop will start again. But if it's less than 1000, the loop will cut. So you will print port val and add a delay. So what will happen if the port val is less than 1000? Digital write red pin loop, so turn off the red pin. As you can see, it is at 717, which is less than 1000. It has to be greater than 1000 for it to turn on. It's 922 and it's still not on. So 1023, it's on. Let's reduce it, it's off. So it goes all the way to 1. Let's increase it back. The LED is on. Follow for more.